Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mansi Chauhan, Consultant Surgical Oncology at CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. Today we are going to talk about a procedure that is sentinel lymph node biopsy. So when diagnosed with breast cancer, you would be advised to undergo axillary staging procedure. So what does this mean? Axillary staging is nothing but sampling of lymph nodes in the axillary or armpit region. So any cancer in the breast can go to the axillary or armpit lymph node. Hence, these lymph nodes also need to be sampled to know the exact stage of the disease. So this is a surgical procedure which has to be performed during the breast cancer removal surgery. Without axillary staging or axillary dissection, no breast cancer surgery is complete. This kind of axillary staging can be performed by many methods. Age-old method is axillary dissection, in which the entire lymph nodes in the axillary region or armpit region are removed. These lymph node removal can cause a certain swelling of the affected arm, which is called lymphedema. Hence, newer techniques are developed to reduce this arm swelling, which is called sentinel lymph node biopsy. In this procedure, we inject a dye in the breast and that dye travels to the armpit lymph nodes, and we identify these sentinel or the first station of lymph nodes in which the dye travels. We pick those lymph node up during the surgical procedure and send them to the lab to be checked whether they have cancer cells in them or not. If the cancer cells have not reached this first station of lymph nodes, it means that it has not spread to other lymph node, and hence a conservative surgery of the axillary lymph node can be performed, which reduces the edema or the swelling of the affected arm, which is called lymphedema. By doing such procedures, we can reduce the arm swelling, that is lymphedema, to less than 3 to 5%. There can be multiple methods or techniques of performing this sentinel lymph node biopsy, which is by using methylene blue dye, or along with that a radioactive, that is technetium-99, can be used. What we use in our hospital is ICG technique, which is the newest technique of identifying sentinel lymph node, which has higher identification rates and success rates also. So this is called endocyanin green or ICG dye technique, in which we inject this green dye, which is fluorescent in nature, and with the special camera we are able to track the dye going to the lymphatic system, to the lymph nodes, and hence this procedure can be performed safely. For further queries or any doubts, you can contact on the given information. But if you are advised for breast cancer surgery, do consult your surgeon or doctor about this particular sentinel lymph node biopsy procedure. Thank you.